Hi, Cindy here. So today we're going to open our December Lashy box. It came in the mail yesterday and she did not do any spoilers, so I do not have a clue what's in it. This is the December Soft Glam neutral box, and I sure hope she didn't give us the same palette, but if she did, I'll just give it to someone. So let me get my scissors. And we'll open this. I went ahead and rolled my hair first. So I didn't think people were interested in me rolling my hair. But we'll take it out so it'll be nice and pretty. Alrighty. So here is what's in it. So far we've got opal. I don't think we had those last time. Then we've got some eyelash glue. I could use that. Let's see, what I do, I still have any old. I think I threw my Lashy box glue away because it was probably getting old. We got some Ruby May lashes. And I don't remember what this cost. This was full price. It might have been $13, $14.99 plus $5 postage. So this is called Dreamer. They're pretty, I like those. So this definitely looks like, it looks like the same palette, but it's not. This is more of a cool tone, which I like that. The last time was more of a warm tone. So I do like this. I got tired of all, this is good for fall. I got tired of all that, probably good for spring or summer too. But so I'll be using this a lot. I like those cool tone browns. And it's B Square, and this is by Geeky. The other one was by Rude, but it looks like real similar packaging. We'll open it when we feel using it. And we've got one more pair of lashes called Vanilla. So this doesn't have as much stuff in it as oh no, we got another set of lashes. Sorry. These are kind of fluffy and pretty, called Euphoria. So what are we gonna wear? We didn't get any Zola lashes this time, which is fine. We got Ruby May. I like Ruby May. And we've got two Lashy box. We might wear some Lashy box ones today. It's going to be a toss-up between Euphoria or Vanilla. Euphoria. They're kind of fluffier. They're prettier. I mean, I'm not going to say they're prettier. They're fluffier. Okay. And then we're going to do this. So let's, you can tell I'm dropping stuff. So let's open this. So Geeky must be a brand. Oh, this is pretty. Look, I just saw this a little bit more nuanced when I went to open it. And it seems like the last one had a plastic box too. Okay, let's see if we can get this. So it's very packaged good and tight. I did kind of, well, that's the paper that I scratched. It had silver paper that I scratched. So I'm going to lay these over here. Okay. We're going to start, see this one here, it's kind of got white and chocolate in it. See all these pretty colors? We might try that one today and see what it looks like. Then we got some white highlighter. And we just got some pretty basic, we got some black if you want black. I don't think I need any black. But, okay. So let's get going here. Let's use this base color, this white, or kind of beige color. And then this shimmer, this chocolatey shimmer with the white in it, I'm sure that white's going to go away any second. We're going to use that for the base of our eye. And I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not. It might, if it just dropped in from another one. This is what it looks like after I've dipped into it. This is pretty. Okay. Now then, for a kind of complementary color around the wing eyes. Oh, they're also pretty. I think I'm going to use the brown right underneath it. This kind of chocolatey brown. No particular reason other than I just think it's pretty. Get over here so you can see. Just freehand it in. I don't want to use a spoon or all those little templates. They're nice and cool and everything. It's just more junk you got. And I can just freehand that in. Okay. Now let's kind of fill in that thing. I'm going to fill it in with the brown that we used for the whole eye. So, we got another shimmer here, a light shimmer. We don't have a real light shimmer, and that's okay. So I think this looks fine. I thought I'd put something a little lighter in the corner, towards the eye. Okay. So let's take these, and I'm going to clip the long end about 1/4, an 1/8 to 3/8 inch off. I don't really measure it, I just kind of eyeball it. There. So let's just kind of lift, just kind of cut it. How much here did I use? I hope they're both the same. It's hard, it's not exact. So this is what I cut off each one to fit my eyes. And you need to measure them. I wear lashes every day, so I kind of know how much I need. This little stick came from last month's Lashbox. Zola, I'm going to use it for step 1. Just do it like eyeliner. There we go. Now then, we're going to use our new Lashbox adhesive, which sometimes I bought it, it was nice and runny, which that's what I kind of like, and then sometimes it's like it's almost stiff. So, like it was old or something. This looks nice and thin, so I should be able to get that on my eye easy. It's going to turn it black though. You won't be able to see it. Yeah, there'll be a black spot in the bottom of this, but that's okay. Because I do like a little black liner. I guess I could have done it without the liner. I used to like their adhesive, but then I quit getting it because I, unsubscribed. So I'm going to wipe this tip off. So hopefully it won't get so icky down there. So let's get the tweezers. Here they are. Let's put these on. I like to start with my right eye typically. Okay. Alrighty, let's try the other eye. Hopefully I'll do okay. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Kind of hit and miss. Alrighty, that's what those look like. So, put these up, this container up, so that I can put them tonight. I did not wear any Amazon lashes all month long. I just used my Lashbox ones, and the, one pair, I just used them till they wore out. I had to throw them away. And I think I went through about 3 pairs, because I did the last one, it might have been 3 or 4 weeks. It's not been too long. So let's see what our hair's gonna look like when we get done before we do anything else. I did have my hair done yesterday. She did the root touch up and gave me a few highlights. I think it's called a dimensional color. And I told her, don't cut very much. My husband likes super long hair, which has been so short for so long. It's funny, just if you look at some of my old videos, you can see how short my hair was. And it's funny getting a little bit of length to it. It is a little damaged, the ends, but, that's just that. I still got this breakout. I think it's clearing up. I used red light yesterday, and I think that might have aggravated it some, because I watched a YouTube video and he talked about we need the full spectrum red light and this, that, and the other. I thought, well, maybe I ought to use my red light when I'm getting ready. And then this side of my face is extra dry today. And of course, I don't know if that's from the retinol or tretinoin or what, or just winter. I'm not used to having skin problems. But this here, I'm thinking caused from acetaminophen. I took too much and I guess irritated my skin, and it just not wanting to clear up. So if it doesn't clear up for long, I guess I'm gonna have to make an appointment with a dermatologist. So, and yesterday, let me get a drink first. Yesterday, I went to the mall doc. I use like Vision Works in the mall for my eye doctor. And so I need to set an appointment for the end of the year. They said all they had was January for me. I said, well, I'll make one for them. And she had one during the work week. I said, don't y'all have weekend appointments? Yeah, but right now we don't have an eye doctor. They're barring someone else that's coming in. And the place was just, the glasses display was turned off. It's like it was open, but I think there was only like one person there. It's like they didn't want any business. I guess because they don't have a doctor there. And I says, well, are you going to get a doctor? And then they said, well, yeah. So let's put on some tinted sunscreen. So this, we've used it before. I've showed it to you before. I'm still using it. I got some Elta. I don't know which I like best. But it doesn't matter. This is tinted sunscreen or something. So it's got a little bit of tint. When you get older, you can't wear all that foundation and stuff because you know, you just don't look as good. So we just use tinted sunscreen. And I'll probably have to touch it up. I'll get something to eat in a minute and then have to come in here and brush my teeth and touch it up. But we'll get started and see how we look. I think I got it in real good. Wash my hands. Or wash and dry them. Okay, next, gonna put on a little just powder. This is cheap stuff. I got it from Dollar General, but I bought it from Amazon too. I need to order me some powder foundation, I guess. Sometimes they use pure. For the sunscreen. Let's look and see how that looks. So that's a little flaky still. I noticed when I was, anyway, after Thanksgiving it was really bad. I don't know if it's from driving and sitting, that sun hit me. And then it kind of did it again. I kind of knew I was taking a chance. It's not as bad as it was after Thanksgiving, but it's still coming. So we got to figure out what we're doing to mess up our skin. So next is some contour and blush. I don't really contour. I take this brown contouring powder and I just, both of them, and just put them underneath my blush a little bit. And then I take a little bit of the blush. Oh, then this is the LA Color Shadow It Off palette. I picked this up at Dollar General. That's the only place I've seen it except Five Below, and we don't have one here. So I'm going to put a little of this on the top of my eye. And then it's got highlighters, so I'm going to highlight too. I might highlight here in a And then I'll highlight my cheeks a little bit. Alrighty. Okay, so I think that's about it, except for a little bit of lip balm. Let me grab that box. So that we can kind of make a thumbnail. Okay, bye-bye guys. This is just for the thumbnail. That's the reason I'm doing this. Y'all be good and be sure and like and subscribe. And next month, hopefully I'll do the next unboxing. I am starting classes in mid-January, and I just don't know how much time I'm going to have to make videos. But I certainly can do a few here and there. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.